First we will connect the 24-volt DC power supply. Now we will use USB to RS485 converter as shown above. And connect the TX plus and TX minus of the converter to device TX plus and TX minus respectively. Now we will switch on the power supply. To configure the device we have 3 keys: M key, S key, and Z key. Long press Z key to go into the menu. Enter password for parameter settings using M and S key. Use M key to increment and S key to shift digit. Default password is 06108. Now long press M key to enter. Here are list of the menu to configure the device properly. Please do not change any of the default factory settings unless if needed. In quick settings you can change the device response time, its flow units, number of decimal places to show, its flow range, long presses M key to save the new value. Press Z to go back to main menu. Now let's go through basic setup submenu. Here you can set sensor size, meter factor, that is the correction factor, totalizer unit, flow direction, flow cutoff, first line to display, Now let's go through advanced settings. Here you can configure Modbus settings such as address, baud rate, parity, automatic and manual 0 and other settings. In the output menu you can configure 4 to 20 current output, pulse and alarm output and other output setting. Here you can configure how much pulse per quantity of total flow is required. In total set menu you can configure totalizer related settings. Here you can reset the totalizer of the device. Now we will configure the laptop or PC for Modbus interface. First check on which communication port the USB to RS485 converter is connected. On our PC it is connected to COM5. Now we will open Modbus Pole software. Now we will go to Connection tab and enter default settings. Here default configuration of 9600 baud rate, 8 data bits non-parity and 2 stop bits is entered. Now we will configure the read-write definitions of the device. Here our device slave ID is 1. Its read addresses is 12,288 and quantity is 20. For other RS485 configuration setting, please go through the RS485 manual for EMF. Flow data is receive on address 12,295 and its data type is float ABCD. You can scroll through the second line by pressing S key for 2 to 3 seconds. And the totalizer data is received on address 12,292 and its data type is long ABCD.